The microwave glass doors usually come tinted. That's the reason they get dirty that quickly and are quite visible. In today's hack, I'll show you how to have these glass doors sparkling, looking as good as new. So stay along. As you can see, this microwave glass door is looking very bad as of now. You can see all marks, fingerprint marks, food stains, everything you can see on this glass door, and this is the state with many of the houses. So what you'll need to take is a little bit of toothpaste on a cloth in this way and start rubbing it on the glass door. So if you will notice the view at the back, it will start clearing up. This will be the hint that the glass door is clean. Now I have wetted the same cloth and I am rubbing it. What happens is the toothpaste will help remove all the stains. Again, I have cleaned the cloth and now I'm rubbing it with a dry cloth. You can even use newspaper and you'll see that the glass door is completely clean. See, this is how it will look at the end of it, as clean as a mirror. So friends, let me know in the comment section how did you all like this hack, and for those of you all who are new out here, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you all do not miss out on any of the hack updates that I post. That's all friends, I'll see you next time with another new hack. So do not miss out on mentioning which place you are viewing my hack from. Do let me know in the comment section.